Today, we're not just listing the hottest remote jobs for 2024. We're revealing the secret sauce on how to secure these opportunities for yourself. Get ready for a game-changing approach with our BENS formula. Bold, easy, new, and safe. Let's dive into the steps that will make you stand out in the competitive world of remote job hunting. Bold approach. To land that dream remote job, you've got to be bold. It's not just about having the skills, it's about showcasing them uniquely. Update that resume, curate a killer portfolio, and break the mold by reaching out directly to the companies you're eyeing. Remember, the early birds get the remote job worms. Easy application process. Let's make the application process a breeze for you. Explore job platforms tailored for remote opportunities. Think FlexJobs, Remote OK, and Rework Remotely. Your one-stop shop for a plethora of remote listing. Use smart filters to streamline your search and apply with just a few clicks. Your dream remote job is closer than you think. New skills, new opportunities. Remember, jobs thrive on diverse skill sets. Stay ahead of the game by investing time in acquiring fresh skills relevant to 2024. Take online courses, earn certifications, and attend workshops to master new software and enhance your digital communication skills. Embrace the new, and this will open the door to a world of exciting opportunities. Safe networking. Networking is your secret weapon in the remote job market. Join professional groups on platforms like LinkedIn. Attend virtual meetups and connect with professionals in your field. Engage in meaningful discussions, ask questions, and build a network that not only supports your growth, but becomes a valuable resource in your remote job search. Now that you've armed with the BENS formula, let's explore some remote job opportunities that are not only lucrative, but also aligned with our approach. Imagine making over $40 an hour, all from the cozy confines of your home, and starting with zero money and experience. Sounds like a fantasy. It's not. These remote jobs are not only high paying, but also more accessible than you might think. First on our list is internet scoping. No, it's not about targeting like the like button, though we appreciate if you would. Internet scoping involved working from home, deciphering legal jargon for lawyers. Perfect for detailed-oriented individuals. It's a fantastic opportunity to earn $500 to $800 a month at the beginner, with the potential to climb up to $4,500 or more. The pros: flexible hours and the comfort of working from home. Cons: some repetitive tasks and staying updated on software. Opportunity score 7 out of 10. Next, we have the Telehealth Coordinator. Manage video calls for doctors, make healthcare more accessible, and earn around $48,000 annually, all from the comfort of your home. Pros include helping people and growing job market, while cons involve potential stress and staying updated with healthcare techs. Opportunity score 7.5 out of 10. If you're a multitasker who loves chatting but prefer typing, consider becoming a live chat specialist. With an average salary of $43,000 a year, you'll enjoy flexibility and the satisfaction of helping people. Cons: dealing with frustrated customers and managing multiple chats simultaneously. Opportunity score 9.5 out of 10. For the brave hearts, Content Moderator might be a gig for you. Reviewing user-generated content pays around $42,000 a year, offering flexible hours and the ability to work from home. Be cautious, as some content might be disturbing. Opportunity score score 7 out of 10. If you're tech savvy, consider business system administration with an annual salary of $97,000. You'll be the mechanic, keeping company's engine running smoothly. The demand is high, but it requires constant learning and potential long hours during the system outage. Opportunity score 8 out of 10. Dreaming of working with a world-renowned company? Apple Home Care Specialist might be the ticket. As an Apple Home Advisor, assist customers with Apple product issues, earning around $37,000 a year. Pros: remote work, extensive training, and Apple brand on your resume. Cons: dealing with frustrated customers and potential odd working hours. Opportunity score 8 out of 10. Lastly, for the ultimate customer service representative, consider becoming a customer success manager. With an annual salary of $94,000, you'll be the pro in customer satisfaction. Strong communication skills are a must, but the opportunity to work closely with people and to help them succeed outweighs the cons. Opportunity score is 9.5 out of 10. There you have it. Not just the top remote jobs, but the bold, easy, new, and safe step to land them. Are you ready to take the plunge into the world of remote work? Let us know in the comment below, and don't forget to subscribe to more game-changing insights. Until next time, happy job hunting and be freelantastic.